There's the duck following Nana. Then here's the rabbit. Then we have 3 quackers. Now if you go here, we have 1 rainbow bird, and this is a ringneck female. We got him when he was a baby, so now he's used to us. Then we have this rainbow bird. We just got him. We never got him as a baby. This one, you know us. Nah. His name is Zamzam. Then we have another ringneck over there. Another grey one. And some of them died because they were fighting and because of the snow. And then we have 2 African greys. And here's the other one.